So, my friend's drone business has recently gone bankrupt. I feel really sorry for him. It never really took off. Dove deodorant. Who would have thought that it makes a somewhat good DIY haze? It's pretty cost effective, kind of works, and it makes your room stink like boy. So if you're into that, maybe go get yourself some Dove deodorant. Not sponsored. I do actually use it. It's quite nice. Anyway, today we're talking about the 1 minute cinema. And what we've done, me and my friend Andrew Teoh, we have gone down to Marino Rocks and we've shot at Golden Hour. Got some awesome shots on the Mavic 2 Pro. I'm super pumped with how it came out. I really hope you enjoy it. It's always fun to get the Mavic 2 Pro back up in the sky and fly around and just get some awesome shots and really challenge your flying skills. Just get better and better and better. I do have a drone video coming out soon, so make sure to keep an eye out for that. You'll see some of this reoccurring footage through there amongst lots of other clips. I do really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider liking and or subscribing. And if you have a suggestion of what you'd like to see on the next 1 minute cinema, please go ahead and let me know down in the comments below, because I'd be interested, somewhat interested, very interested, super very interested. That was meant to be a Silicon Valley reference and it wasn't very good.
Would you be very interested, somewhat interested, or not interested? Which one? Which one? Which one?
Anyway, please consider liking, commenting, subscribing, yada yada. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Bye. I really shouldn't have sprayed so much of that deodorant. I've got quite a dry throat now. Woo. Dove deodorant. Who would have known? So one of my mates here in Adelaide actually owns a drone biz. I shouldn't be laughing. What is going on? I'm trying to sign off, not start again.